Hey aspiring chemist, last time I showed you how hibiscus can change color with acids and bases. But in this video, I will show you exactly how to make your own hibiscus pH indicator and review the amazing chemistry behind those color changes. Let's get started. What you will need are hibiscus flowers, you can get this from your garden, water, and a basic heat source like cooking gas or a hot plate. First, we get our hibiscus flowers, cut out the petals, and leave them to dry under the sun. After waiting for a while, I decided to place them in my DIY solar oven, designed to double the sun's heat, drying them much faster. This solar oven can be used to dry substances, heat sensitive chemicals, or even cook simple meals. If you want a full video on how to build your own solar oven, let me know by commenting solar oven below. Whichever method you use, make sure the hibiscus petals are completely dry and crispy. Once they are ready, transfer them to your pot, add some water and set it to boil. As it boils, the flowers release a pigment into the water. These pigments are anthocyanins, which are pH sensitive, meaning that the color of the pigment will change based on how acidic or basic a solution is. After boiling for 5 minutes, we bring our solution down from the hot plate and filter it. You can use water as the solvent as it works really well for quick demonstrations, but the limitation is that it spoils within a day. I already made my own pH indicator using ethanol as it has a longer shelf life. But ethanol is slightly acidic and it may give a red hue. If you want to make the indicator for future purposes, ethanol is advised, but if you want to use it right away, you can use water. Now we have our indicator solution. So let's test it. I have 5 vials with different pH levels. Adding our indicator, you notice the characteristic color change between these 5 solutions. The first is hydrochloric acid, the next is vinegar, the middle is water, the fourth is aqueous ammonia, and the fifth solution is sodium hydroxide. Different pH levels make the anthocyanins to change their structure and shape, and each structure reflects a different color. It is this property that makes hibiscus a great natural pH indicator. To make things easier, I am including a hibiscus pH color chart in the description below. You can use it to compare the different shades for yourselves. And that's how you make your own hibiscus pH indicator with a flower as simple as this. If you think this is cool, you are going to love our other videos. So subscribe now to join the experiment.